Let's take the derivative of this inverse trig function, arcsine of 3x squared. Remember that the derivative of regular inverse sine, or you can call it arcsine x if you like, the regular derivative is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. So we'll just apply this rule here. The derivative of our function in this case follows the same rule. It's 1 over the square root of 1 minus whatever's on the inside squared. In this case, it's a 3x squared, which is inside. So it's actually 3x squared squared. But remember the chain rule? We need to multiply by the derivative of that inside function. What's the derivative of 3x squared? Use the power rule. 3 times 2 is 6, x to the first power. And if you like, you could take 1 second to make this look a little bit nicer. Maybe just write that 6x on top, 1 times 6x in the numerator, and then in the denominator, 1 minus, well, 3 squared, that's 9, x squared squared would be x to the fourth, and we've successfully taken this inverse trig derivative.